Okay, we just spotted the little kitten, or the cat. He was right over at the fence, and then walked from the left to the right over there to the bushes. There he is. He's walking across there. He, she. There it is. See it? That may not be the same one. That may be a multicolored one. I don't see it now. We'll keep an eye out for it. This Google Pixel 9 Pro Plus is a good camera, but I say editing is an aggravation. Of course, the last couple of times we have just uploaded it without editing it. That may be the way to deal with it, because they want you to upload it to the cloud and then edit it. There it is. That's not the same cat. That cat is multicolored. The cat we saw was like a little golden brown. We have seen dead rodents here in the parking lot as well, but like I said, they seem to have really cleaned this place up. Okay, well, he's made his rounds. He came from up there at the front. All the way down from what I could see. Well, we're going to be going to bed shortly. We'll get this video, get it uploaded. We've got about 3 bars of 5G, so we can upload pretty good here, which is good. We need to, if we get up early, about 3:30 or so, we may take the computer in. They have, places we can sit down. They've got a driver's lounge, and then they've got another place we can sit down in there too. That's another reason I like these Flying J's. They are a lot nicer set up for more like a real truck stop. Convenience for the trucker. But we can take our computer in and the Insta360 and the Osmo and download this video and get it uploaded. I like that Flying J up in not quite to Ringgold. It's in Reseca. That's where it is. I like that Flying J a lot too. Now this one, for a couple of years, when I first started coming down here, it was nice, clean and everything, and then it found, I don't know, I guess they had bad management or something or other, but it got where this thing was, you didn't want to eat anything out of there. Like I said, I found rodents out here in the parking lot. Bathrooms were never working right. Stalls would be closed up. And that went on for about 2 years, but I think they finally must have replaced a manager. And they remodeled this one too. They remodeled the one in Gainesville too. Or not Gainesville, Greensboro. They remodeled the one in Greensboro. I wonder if that kid delivers food on his bicycle, because that bicycle was here a while ago. This Denny's may deliver food. He may be a delivery driver. He locks his bicycle up over there. Huh, I wonder if he does. Yeah, that cat probably made, the one we just saw, probably made its rounds. It probably makes the rounds around the thing and keeps the perimeter secure. It's interesting how these cats do that to walk their territory. And that little golden one, honey colored. No, it's not really honey. It's lighter than that. light brownish. It's a pretty color. But it was underneath the tree over there earlier when we got here. But I haven't seen it since. Should have got a picture of it before we went in a while ago. This video is about 5.5. We need to get about 9-minute videos. 9 to 10-minute videos. We'll get this one and edit it and start uploading it, get it uploaded. And get into bed. What time is it? 11:30. What? Let's see. We're uploading one now, aren't we? What are we doing? Oh no, it's already uploaded. Okay. We need to check and see if all the checks have been run on it, so we can go ahead and make it public. Get that old loud thing out of here. Good grief. Piece of junk. We've got another Griffin Ridge Wildlife Management area we want to get uploaded too. One with the old bridge. Let's turn it and let y'all see the pumps over there a little bit. I'd like to see that little cat. Okay, well, this video is 10.5 minutes long. Let's turn it back and see if we see the kitty, then we'll wrap this one up. Well, I don't see it. So we'll be uploading another one from Griffin Ridge and uploading this one. And we won't make them public. We're just going to start them uploading, and we're going to get into bed. We'll make them public for tomorrow. They'll be tomorrow videos. So this will be a wrap.